Hi, I'm Rush Neggett. I'm a business and franchise lawyer in West Des Moines, Iowa with the law firm of Brick Gentry. Talking to you today about hard luck franchisees. And this is the fifth in a series of 5 posts that I've done on this subject. Lesson number 5 deals with the restrictions on the sources of products and services that a franchisee may sell. Now, this is known as item number 8 in the franchise disclosure document, and it's also a provision that is contained within most franchise agreements. Now, so what happens here is that a franchisor retains the right to restrict the products and services that a franchisee can sell. And this really impacts the franchisee in a couple of ways. First of all, the franchisee often buys a franchise because they believe that the franchisor has greater bargaining power with vendors and providers of services. Well, this isn't always the case. The reality is that often franchisees are surprised to learn after they've purchased the franchise operation that they could find products and services at lower prices than they're paying through the franchise. The second thing is that the franchisee now cannot sell certain products and services potentially. Now, there usually is a provision that will allow them to go to the franchisor and request permission, but franchisors are concerned about the overall system. And so it's often difficult to get new products and services approved by a franchisor. So when you're examining a franchise opportunity, be careful to consider the products and services that are provided by the franchise. Look at the pricing issues. Are you better off starting your own independent business rather than operating as a franchise? Particularly if you could find those products at lower prices. And then the second thing is make sure that you're satisfied with the quality of those products. Because once you enter the franchise operation, you're going to be stuck with those products and services that are provided by the franchisor. Now, I encourage you to go take a look at rushonbusiness.com and the other posts that I've done on hard luck franchisees. My main concern and why I did these posts is that I see many franchisees who are very excited, understandably so, when they are about to purchase a franchise operation. But many of those people are surprised by um, the lack of support and the difficulty that it really takes to make a franchise business a successful operation. The franchising industry has done a tremendous job, and there are many great franchises out there. And so these posts are not intended to in any way discourage people from going into franchising. However, go into it with an open mind and understand that franchise businesses fail at roughly the same rate as independent businesses. I wish you the best of luck, and be sure to conduct lots of due diligence before you make a significant investment in any franchise.